Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will be making green beans. Alright, I know most of you don't use fresh green beans because they need an hour of cooking. But in this video, I'm gonna give you an easy hack to do it in 25 to 30 minutes. You can start by using the old-fashioned way in trimming the green beans. Or you can do it by using a knife and a cutting board. From my part, this is much faster. Now heat up your pot on medium heat and add your olive oil, then your onion. After it turns to that golden color, add your garlic and mix it for 1 minute. Now add your green beans and let it fry for 10 minutes. That's the hack for a fast cook. And don't forget to add your salt and pepper, so it helps the process. And last but not least, add your tomatoes and let it cook for 25 to 30 minutes. Of course, don't forget to mix it each 5 minutes. See how much easy this recipe is? Hope you enjoy and don't forget to subscribe for more.